Hello, lovely primary 4 pupils of Torchbearers Academy. Good day. How are you all doing? I hope you enjoyed the holiday. I know we have missed class activities, and we pray that the pandemic will soon be over so that we can all return to school and meet physically. All right? I want to urge you all that you take these online classes very seriously, even as we begin this exciting third term. Today, we are beginning a new topic in social studies for this third term. And our first topic is housing. What is housing? Housing is the process of providing houses for people to live in. The process of providing houses for people to live in. Now, moving on to the types of houses Nigerians live in. 1. Mud house. 2. Skyscraper. 3. Duplex. 4. Story building. 5. Glass house. 6. Bungalow. 7. Blocks of flats. Next slide. How people own houses. Some of the ways are: 1. Personal savings and effort. 2. Cooperative societies. 3. Loans from commercial and mortgage banks. 4. Government allocations. Features and characteristics of a good house. Some of these features are: 1. A good house must be ventilated, that is, airy. 2. A good house must be one with strong structure in order to avoid it from collapsing. 3. A good house should be well illuminated, that is, brightened with what? Light. 4. A good house should be spacious, that is, having a lot of what? Space. 5. A good house must contain adequate number of rooms for the size of the family. 6. A good house should be able to meet the social needs of the handicapped members of the family. That is, members of the family with physical disabilities. Next slide. Differences in the housing needs of urban and rural settlement. First, urban refers to what? The cities, while rural refers to those places that are yet to be well developed, like villages. Now, the difference. Number 1, land is more available and cheaper in rural areas. Land is more available and cheaper in rural areas. Number 2, access to funds, that is, money, is easier in the urban areas compared to the rural areas. 3, availability of building materials make houses easier to build in the urban areas compared to the rural areas. Number 4, simplicity of house choice. Number 5, number of house required. In the course of today's lesson, we looked at the meaning of housing, types of houses Nigerians live in, ways people can own their own houses, features and characteristics of a good house, as well as the difference in the housing needs of urban and rural settlement. With this, we've come to the end of today's class, and by God's grace, in our next class, we'll be discussing personal hygiene and physical development. Personal hygiene and physical development. An assignment has been dropped for you in the PDF file. Please ensure you do the assignment and submit. Thank you. Ensure you stay at home, wash your hands regularly, and stay safe. Love you all. Hello.